Alright guys, so I'm making this video to show you or to guide you on how to use the Shuffle platform. So please, if you got to know about this platform through my information, through my thread, or through my message on the WhatsApp group, please try and use the link in that thread. Try and use my link to register. So once you register, you can come to wallet here and make a deposit. See deposit, withdraw. You see you can withdraw here if you want to deposit. So once you click on deposit, you can click the currency you want to use. So we have a whole lot of currency: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Tron, Ripple, Tether, USDC, Dogecoin, Polygon. So I'm using Solana actually. So you click the address, then you can go and transfer from your either your Sex wallet or your what's it called, your normal wallet, maybe Phantom or the other one, Sophia or something. So once you deposit, you can deposit at least myself, when I did my own, I deposited 0.25, so that's around $10 basically. So once you deposit, it will reflect on the platform. Then you can come to and you can now come to this place. You see bets, different bets. You see all sports, whichever one you want. But I will be using casino bets. See my previous bets, see my withdrawals for evidence sake, so that you know. November 6th, that was yesterday. So 0.6, so I will do it. See my deposit. This is my first deposit, 0.25, so 0.102. So that's my deposit, and I withdraw 0.6. That's times 2. So you come to casino bet, or wait, let me just take you back to I want to take you back to the home. Please just bear with me. Yeah, so we have it here. So you see different what's it called, Yes. Alright, this is the home. This is what I want to show you guys. So once you're on this home like this, you see the different shuffle games: blackjack, dice, limbo, plinko, mines, So I play limbo. So I play limbo. So once you click on limbo, then you click here on placing your bet. You can use 0.1. I'm using soul. That's why you can see it's showing soul, but my balance is not up to 0.1. That says can't bet more than your balance. Then you see the profit I'm going to make using this multiplier. So this multiplier will affect your, what's it called? Who is that? Sorry, you can just drop it. I'll come and pick it. Drop it. I'll come and pick it. You're welcome. So you use this multiplier, and your chance of winning is 49.5%. So if you use this multiplier, but I would prefer you change the multiplier to 1.01. So your chance of winning will be 98.01%. So you can use that. So you now click on bet. So once you click on bet, it goes through and you see whether you won or you didn't win. But you have 98.01% chance of winning. So you keep doing that. And if you want to increase your multiplier, you can do that. I actually increased my multiplier. You see the profit you will make here. If you do that, if you reduce the multiplier, you will see the profit you will make. See the profit you will make here. Then if you increase the multiplier, so as you increase the multiplier, you will see the profit will surge high. So if I'm using 10 times multiplier, you will see my profit will be 0.9 so that's a whole lot. So then you click on bet, but your chance will be 9.9%. So that's how to use. So just keep playing limbo. Reduce your multiplier, or don't use high multiplier. If you use high multiplier, your risk is higher. So well, if you can take such risk, it's good. So once you make your, what's it called, your deposit and extra, you can withdraw that and leave the profit to keep playing. You can also lose, so please take note of that. So I made 1 soul yesterday. I deposited 0.25. I made 1 soul. So I removed 0.6 and I used the rest to play. See my balance. So I lost the rest, but I already removed my deposit and extra. So I removed 0.6. So that's times 2 of my deposit. So that's how to use. You can also place on some other bets, football bets, but this is what I just use and to make money. All right.